Hey everybody, I'm David, and I've got a prom challenge for you. You know, yesterday I was looking through some video and some photos of the last few proms we've had, and I was looking at myself, and I didn't like what I saw. Be honest with you, I'm considerably heavier than I ever wanted to be, and in looking back through those pictures, it just kind of made me consider all the times that I kind of started and didn't finish, and I went down a whole bad trail and I was depressed afterwards. You know how that is. But I decided that I'm going to use this prom as an opportunity to challenge myself, and I figured since I'm challenging myself, I'd extend the challenge to you. So here's my prom goal. By June 6th, prom night, I plan to have lost 15 to 20 pounds. Yep, 15 to 20 pounds. I want to feel good. I want to feel better that night. I want to really be able to celebrate achieving my goal as well as spending time with my wife. And I want to challenge you to join me. Your goal might be a weight-oriented goal, but you know what? You might say by June 6th you want to be better in communicating with your spouse. By June 6th you want to have accomplished something that's been on your to-do list for some time. By June 6th you may want to just complete a big something or start something that you've been putting off. Whatever it is, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to put your goal in the comments below. And then let's encourage each other over the process. I'm going to do some more videos. I'm going to show you my progress, tell you about a few things that I'm doing to help achieve my goal, and let's just help each other to get there. And on June 6th, not only will we be celebrating the time we're spending with our spouses, but we'll also be able to celebrate the progress we're making or the goals that are accomplished, just sweetening the pot for what's going to be a fantastic night. By the way, don't forget to get your tickets for prom night. Early registration ends on April 24th, and I want you to make sure that you get your tickets, okay? So you can go to oneheartbeatga.com/prom 2015 to do so. I'm looking forward to reading your comments, and I'm going to put my own comments in there as well so we can take this journey together. I'll see you at the prom.